Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got the Accord. As per usual, we're always working on it. My fucking rotors get all fucking rusty. What the hell, man? I changed them and then it rained. Like, what the fuck? Anyways, today we are doing some fucking camber arms, brother. Not those ones. We're doing some camber arms, brother. Got these ones. They're both something. True hearts. They're true hearts. So we got camber arms today, and we're also changing out the oil because it is that time. And as you guys know, oil changes on these bitches are easy. So we're just gonna get it done real quick. While the cart is already up in the air, we might as well. Today's video sponsor is by me because I bought this. Shout out Castrol Oil. Feel free to sponsor us, our small humble channel. Anyways, so yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the jack underneath in the center point. I got a quick pro tip, guys. Everybody talks about like, oh yeah, I got my quick release bumper, right? Bro, Honda already thought of that before we even wanted to do that. Look, check it. Okay, it's literally two safety whatever fastener screws, right? People are always drilling into their fender wall and their lip bumper. Bro, there's your quick release right there. Quick release, there it is. Okay, fuck out of here. What do you mean, man? Hey, that kind of looks hard. There's my quick release. And then for you guys who don't know about the cold air intake, this is actually really cold air intake because as you can see, it gets air from right here. Look at that. You didn't even know that unless you watch the channel, and the air goes in right there. Look it. And it goes all the way through. And it comes in through not a paper, but a K&N. K&N. So do yourself a favor, save yourself some money instead of getting a pod filter, which just sucks all the dust air from here. If you do it right, you can make your stock into a cold air intake, and the K&N does definitely help. It gives it more of a kick. All right, so we're back at it. We're gonna change the oil real quick, and then I'll show you guys how to do the the camber arms. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. 1-2 bolts. That's it. It'll allow you to angle your wheels in, and we should be good to go. All right, well, see you guys in a bit when I get the car jacked up. All right, guys, so we got the car jacked up. Wheel is off. So, camber arms. 3 bolts. Ready? 1, 2, 2, and 3. And we don't have to worry about changing any of this or those because you can see they're already messed up because they come in with those already. So we're gonna take this side off, drop it, put it in, leave it at regular height. Before we do lock it in, I'm gonna test the wheels in the front and see what kind of angle I can get out of them, because as you guys know, I want to run those VIP wheels, but they're pretty wide. They're 9.5s, so we'll see what we can get away with. This is obviously going to get closer to this, so we're going to have to see about our suspension, if we have to change it or not adjust it. And then of course, while the oil is draining from there, we're going to work on this. So let's get to it. And fuck it, for shits and giggles, because I am changing oil, I might as well clean this because it's reusable and it's probably dusty as heck. So I'm probably gonna hit it with some purple power and wash it out. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you guys when I get the oil going and then the camber arms loose. So see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So oil is draining, and we made our way. As you can see, we made our way over here. And for these bolts, this one is a 17 and it has a cotter pin in it, so you're gonna have to bend them straight and then pull it out. And to break it loose, you need 17. Those ones are 14. And what I did to get it loose, got myself one of these. Ooh, I'm out of breath. I'm fucking fat. And I put it like this on it, and obviously that's not enough space, not enough leverage to break it. And so I just used a pole from my jack and popped it in like this, and then cracked it loose. So once that's loose, you can get it off by hand. You're gonna need your jack to hold this up as well, the knuckle, so that way once this comes off, it won't go down and like smack into everything. All right, I'm gonna put everything up, set it up, and then I'll show you guys once I have it completely out, and then start changing it. Oh yeah, and you also need a, let me see, I think it's a 10. Maybe it's a 10 that for this one right here. So, all right, yeah, see you guys. All right, guys. So minor hiccup. We had to remove the shock body. It's only 5 nuts, and then 1 bolt here, and then you're able to drop it so that way you can put in your camber arms. So now that these are in, I'm gonna reinstall my coilover, and then I'm gonna bolt it up right there, tighten it down over there and there, put that one back, and then I'm gonna go grab the VIP wheel and see. Right now, the little thing is loose, so I can move it back and forth to see how much clearance I can get with the wheel on. So, alright guys, I'll show you guys in a bit what it looks like. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so everything's back up, everything's bolted in. It's not completely locked just yet, nor is the plates, just because I'm going to test what it's gonna look like. So right now we got a little bit of clearance. We still can do height if we wanted to, but I want to see what that does with my VIP wheel. So let me pull one out, put it up against, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So here it is. I got it on, and it does clear my my brakes. Very so small, no spacer, no nothing. So this is what it looks like closest to the fender, and it fucking, geez, yeah, that's crazy. This is 9.5, but remember, this is at complete rest, so when it's compressed and it goes up, it'll be a different story. So let me see what that looks like. First, let me push it in with the camber on it. Let me see. Alright, so that's completely cambered. You see? Clearance is still good. And then now, oh yeah, it's gonna tuck. It's gonna tuck. I need to see clearance in here. Oh yeah, clearance is good in there. Yep. As far as the wheel well goes, I think it'll be fine. So, yeah, let me raise it and see what it looks like from here, guys. Oh yeah, without a doubt, guys. Look at that. Without a doubt. Easy. Easy. It'll tuck like nothing. I also gotta do the what's it called so it straightens out, but whew. Whew. Alright guys, so everything is back in. That's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, I already did everything and I locked it up, so I'm gonna put the tire in to the other side, change out the oil, finish up, button her down, and that'll be it. But that's how you do your camber arms. A couple of things that I know for sure, pro tip: you can get the bolts out, but you can't get them in if the shock body's still on. So you can wiggle these out and it'll take the camber out completely, but just feeding them back in is a hassle. To make it easier, take out those bolts, take out this one bolt back here. This will separate from this, apply a little pressure from here down so it pops it out the cup, and then you can wiggle it out, and then all that space is free. That way you can just put that in and that's it. So yep, that'll do it for today. We're getting closer and closer to being able to put on those VIP wheels. As you guys saw, at full camber, it looks snaz. So all right guys, sun's going down. I already changed out the oil, put the filter in, still washing the reusable filter. But real quick, another pro tip before I let you guys go. Since I know that I'm not going to be installing my wheels soon, I'm just going to leave it at the regular setting. So before putting it in the car, that way you don't have to do it underneath. It's just these bolts right here with a little Allen key little Allen key end, crack them loose, shift it, but towards the outer is obviously, you know, your stock. But once I do get ready to slam my car and put the wheels on, I'm gonna have to adjust it so that way it tucks. But yeah, a quick pro tip that'll save you guys some time. That way you're not underneath the car trying to loosen it or tighten it before reinstalling. So alright guys, well, catch you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.